everybody, thanks for joining me today. Thanks for stopping by. I have a project share that I had got a die from Studio Light that is I made into a pocket. So it's like I like to do loaded pockets. So this one kind of has a memory decks theme to it. So I'll go ahead and take these out and show you those in a second. The paper that I'm testing out to put in my shop, it's like very Coco Chanel pink and cream and black. And I love that. So I made a pocket that doesn't come with these. I grabbed this out of my stash from a Crafter's Companion, sort of an accordion, but you could easily make that, just that little M fold, you know, to give it some squish so that you can fill that instead of just gluing down the sides. And then I just glued down here. So yeah, I like how that paper turned out. So I made the pocket, so basically cut this die out twice, and one of them I folded down. And I believe Craft Stash sells this die, if I'm not mistaken. This bow was out of my stash. I used it with some Spellbinder's Silver Mirror card. And then I filled it with some Memory Decks die. So I have made them double-sided so they're a little stronger as well with Maggie Holmes paper. So I made two in this style. This is the Heidi Swap version. So there's that strawberry from Sweet Story, and here's this, and then you turn them over, there is that one. So I had two of those, and then two that are like this. Let me just show you this one because it's easier maybe to see, I don't know. It's got stitching along the sides, and then it's easy to add to that, and you can make it as tall. You just can't go any wider, but you can certainly make it as tall. And this one looks like that. So I thought those were cute, so people can decorate those. I recently got this purse Memory Decks one, which is really, really cute. I popped a little die cut in there. This is some of my stash. I had some Dear Lizzie paper, and I really love these birds. And I made the handles out of some Maggie Holmes, and then this is out of Maggie Holmes. I double-sided that. Okay, so I made this Memory Decks, which is like the ones that I already showed you, and I put this little purse on it. You don't have to put the purse on it, you can use it separately, but it's really, really cute. I love these birds. Okay, so you can stuff it with tissue coming out and all sorts of cute things. So that is of that. Also, what have we got here? This is available in the shop as of the time I'm filming it. This is the Marigold, Maggie Holmes Marigold paper collection. And I put this is from Elizabeth Craft Designs out of Gold Mirror. This fun deer head. And I love this paper, it's very pretty. These are Elizabeth Craft Designs layering nesting frames. And I put some of that scrap cabin seam binding on there. And let's open it up. I like to make these folios. I often have them in the shop because you can put some fun things in there. So I lined it with paper, and one side I've got a pocket this time, and I did something different on the left. So I put a piece of vellum so that these are embellishments that come off. I'm not going to poke them off because I want the person who buys this to be able to take them off. But I put them on vellum so they would easily come off and they wouldn't rip the paper, and then they could reuse this in folio once they're used to these. First one is a bow die from, I think it's from My Creative Time, and I layered it with two Maggie Holmes papers and also put foam in between there like that. This is a Tonic Studios, and I like that yellow, so I've got Dream. This is from Craft Stash, Paper Craft Society, not Paper Craft, Paper Discovery. And it makes this fun little ornate tub, and I used a flower. I think that flower comes with it. I can't remember right now. And then these legs come with it, so I made those out of gold. And then I took some gold ink and stenciled through the die. She has this spot where you can stencil through there, and that makes that fun design like that on the tub. So those can come off. Very cute. On the right side, I have a pocket here with some butterflies and stickers and things like that. And then I've got, also from My Creative Time, I have a couple different envelopes. So I have this one that I made out of some music paper, used some Velcro, and it's got stitching all around if you're familiar with My Creative Time. It's got stitching around there. This is another style she has, and this is from Fashionista paper, I believe. So it's got stitching all around here. It's got the ornate edge, and then you can pop. Oh, I did pop. I popped some things in there, some stickers, and an ephemera piece. You could put gift cards in there, photos, ticket stubs, and then I put a Memory Decks purse in there that they can finish how they want. I lined it with Maggie Holmes paper on the inside as well, and I used a little glitter there, like a tonic glimmer pen, and then they can finish that out with a Memory Decks purse. It's very cute. Alright, that's what I have for you today. Thanks so much for stopping by. Have a great day.